Hello guys, welcome back to Think Smallwood. So since we are playing two games now, so I didn't find much time over here. But so what I have done is I recorded one video and eventually it got corrupted. So it was a short video where I visited the nearest dungeon, and in that dungeon I found a person who was captured inside, and he told us that only a strong magic can save him. So we are in search of that magic, and also we have now, as told, 400 gold coins for buying a new sword for us. And so let's begin our journey here. So I grinded up myself a bit and was able to get some good gold coins on me. And so 400 is the price of that long sword, if I'm sure. So we'll buy that, and then we'll proceed further with our mission. So here is that shop, and wanted any info on the rock group known as Caste. So Caste is actually one of those who have captured that person, and he was against them. This is a Slayer. It's a tough one, but of course this is one of the toughest enemy around this area right now. I mean, until now it is the toughest one. We have found some bonkers, but this one is a bit tougher. It has long arms to reach you. Okay, enough. Let's buy this long sword. Yes, it was for long sword, and my money just ticks around. So we are left with $22 now. Dollars, I'm saying, gold coins now, and let's inquire this area to for that person. There's some guy trapped in a dungeon nearby. I gotta help him. He's trapped with some sort of magic. Yes. So can anyone help? Hmm. There's an old guy in the house south of here. I have heard he knows some magic. So we need to find that guy, and you try. Okay. We need to try finding him, and then we'll ask. Okay. So this is a cinematic. I think this is one of those cast men. Someone know he must die. Okay, so that is about us. Strange that we just came out of this place, and that person also came out this place, and somehow we don't have them. So I'll find that person, and I'll come back to you after this. I'll just cut. Alrighty guys, just resumed from the place itself. This is the house. I went around every place, but this is the house, and it seems locked. But if you just tap with your sword over here, so this way, someone actually speaks out, and let me try it. Yes, this time the dialogue changed. So someone is in actually. I always thought that this place is locked and I didn't went in. So a poor guy who is imprisoned in the dungeon south of here. Young Smallwood. People are getting trapped in practices. Okay, so I'm not Smallwood. It's Smallwood. Why should okay? It's Smallwood, sir, and exactly. He was imprisoned by agent of caste, and that okay. It can all be broken by magic, strong magic. So apparently we need to learn that. He doesn't believe me right now. But, so finally he's allowed us to come in. Okay. I'm not Bollywood, it's Smallwood, sir. What do you want? So I think we should let him know that we need to learn some magic and teach me some incredible sorcery. Help the man trapped in the dungeon. I mean, I'm sorry, Smallwood, but your magic is not okay. You must have at least 5 magic for that. Because we have 3 magic right now. We need 5 magic. and so it's time that we should look into grinding some more. I know a place where I can find a magic potion. I'm still in this vicinity of this area, but that will only make it 4. So what I see is I'm also close to making level 3, and so grinding is the best option. So, and for the grinding, I think the best option would be to go down to the dungeon, because they will actually give you more experience. The bonkers over there, they will give you like 7. These cockroaches just will give you like 10, sorry, 5 experience points. So they're not worth it. But if you go to the dungeon, I think that would be the most beneficial right now. So soon we can reach to 900 experience point, and we will have 4 in the whenever we gain a level, there's an option to change attack, defense, or magic potion, just to increment one. So if I have one more, then I think I will be at 4. And the magic potion that I know, which is in north of this area, alongside the hill or the mountains. So I'll make it 5 over there, and think then we will return back. So it's good that we have to grind, because that also give us some money. Money is not required right now, but still, I mean, in near future, if we require some more, then it will be good. So that's our plan right now. I'll the one magic potion, I think it was a magic potion that I found over here in the last video. You must have seen that. And another was in the top. The magic potion is over at the top, because they already knew that it will be one of the key requirements. So I'll go to the dungeon and also kill some enemies which comes by. And once I have level 4, then we will continue with our journey. So I'll also give you a peek of that. So here you are. This is the dungeon. I have already been here earlier, but I didn't had shown you how the things are. So these bonkers over there, they are fast, and the screen gets locked whenever you are fighting them. So the best way is to make them fight each other, just by cornering them, or letting them hit each other. If they are more, if there is only one, then you have to fight it. So now, right now, if you can see, they are just getting along with each other and just fighting with each other, and one has been cornered. So soon one is left, and we can just hit and kill him. You have to kill him, because the screen won't unlock unless you move out of here. So this is one area. This one is a single one, so you have to fight him. Keep some distance and keep on throwing fireballs. Just move around, and don't let you be very close to him, because if you're close to him, he will hit you with his tail, just like the bonkers do. So keep some distance. He just hit me with 4 this time. And they will also give you like 25 experience points, and they will give you like, okay, so enough grinding. I think I am on level 4 now. I just came back here after fighting some, and if you see, I have so I have completed level 3, and I have magic points 4. I just discounted them. To reach level 4 now, I will require like 16 experience points. So it's better that I should be going back from here, because the magic potion is outside, and it's not worth wasting much time fighting them. So if you increase the magic point, you will also increase the speed of the fireball. If you see now, the fireball is getting refilled very soon. And also attack would be the same if I don't increase the attack. So the requirement was to increase the magic, so we did on that. Attack will eventually increase. I know this game, if I remember from the past, you have lot of options of increasing your attack, because the better the weapon you have, more attack you have. defense is important. You don't find many defense point around, so you don't get to update your defense very soon. Now this big heart is to regain all your life. This comes very rare, and so I think I'll just show you that area where that person is hiding, and then we should move out of here and look for the magic potion in the north. So this was the area. The last time I came here, this man is captured, and he the time old man the old man so we'll let him know that old man says that we don't have much experience and we don't have much magic right now, and probably is dying right here. Excuse me. So we move out of here and just go and grab that magic potion soon, and sooner we do that, it's better also for the video. So I'll just save here because I just gain one magic potion, sorry, one level, and it's better that we save it, and I'll meet you outside of here quickly. Or rather we should continue. I think I don't think there is much. So this one is a good heart castle, if you remember. The king is inside, and our rival or our friend is still there, and I mean he fought some battle and he got knighted. And these tourists, if you remember, you will get some information from there around the local areas, and the stories will let you know the areas which has been in the map as mapped as question mark. We don't know them about them, so they hint about them. So sometimes you should talk to them, like the goblins is talking about right now is hidden in a north snowy area. So you will, so here is this potion. You go north and north, and this is a magic potion also. And so you know we have the magic potion 5 with us. It's time that we should go back, but there's one more secret that I haven't caught it earlier. I think I just missed that. So if you go down here, there's one small hut or cottage over here which you can have some gold coins from here. So the moment I was searching for 200 gold coins, so 400 gold coins for the sword, I think I should have came here to find 200 gold coins lying in the chest. I missed those at that time. So here if you open it, it's 200 gold coins. Remember the location. It's just extreme top of the hill, not top of the hill, but beneath the hill, in the mountains, and this could be a key indicator where you find a bunker and 2 cockroaches. These bunkers are a slow one, they don't give you much experience, and they get killed easily as well. Okay, not that easy. Another of those tourists, I think the same story, maybe different. So just go around whenever you find them, talk to them. There are not many much. There are not many stories that they have to say. Around 3 or 4 of those folklores, they repeat it every time. So I was talking about an island of okay, so more the deed you do, this good heart castle, they will get to know about you. So we haven't done a major task right now that we might be renowned for. So this is our first chance. If we rescue that guy from that dungeon, So we require some magic to learn some magic from here. So let's go here first. uh, yeah, of course he should be here. I just forgot that I have to hit the door. Yes, Mr. Smallwood, Mr. Ballwood. Yeah, it's always funny. I know what you want. Okay, so let's learn from him. We already have the five, and since you are the powerful enough for the, okay, you will learn the acid drain magic. Okay, so we're going to learn something new. Okay, I remember this acid drain. This is good, but it is slow. I mean, if you have good magic points and experience, then it is good enough. Just to, it's very good, effective as well. Where the enemy is slow, I mean they move slow. So you just have to throw this acid rain. I'll just demonstrate it for you. So if you can see, it is loading very slowly, but it is like that because more you learn, I mean more magic you learn, the most powerful magic is more slow. So it is laid down like this, and it will be for some time, and the enemy can just you can just lure the enemy to the acid tree. It is good against the slower enemies which don't move a lot, and but again, I mean, you are very more the experience, quicker the load. So that is the game. So once you have learned how to make it, I mean, once you have gained some level, it will load quickly. But keep this in mind that you don't have to just throw it very close to you, because you will also get hurt in reply of it. So let's use this one for killing the rescuing the person. And you know the drill, how to kill them. Just if you can just get them along to fight each other. If you don't, then you have to fight individually as well. Sometimes you don't get them close enough so to attack, and so don't waste much health on just getting them closer, because the tail will hit you. This is how they hit you. So keep away from the tail. That is the part. And they begin. So this is a very funny and very easy way to kill them. Just let them fight each other. And one left. Yes, do it. Yes. I also use the acid rain. I think that would be effective. But again, the moment I switch to acid rain, it will take some time to load. Until that time, I think I should have already finished him. Alrighty, only one here. Let's get with him. The screen won't unlock unless you kill the enemy. Just work this way. Okay, the angle and the navigation is still hard. I'm just getting adapted to it. Also playing. Alright. Just move around and don't let him close. Let him get close to you. That's the game. Okay, I think I should let them. Okay, let us play him. For each enemy, it is easier to just not let it close to you. And last one. and we go from here, find that person. I'm going to, okay, you don't go, you don't be dying. Let's rescue you. All right. Hurry though, I could have sworn I heard something just before you came. Okay, so I think we should rescue him quickly. We should be throwing it here from a distance. Okay, I haven't loaded the acid rain yet. I just forgot. It will take some time. Again, I just forgot it. Okay, just let move around until it loads. So this is the game. You have already. I think don't think you remember because the video was corrupted before coming here. So there are two more bunkers on the top and three more on the right hand side, and these leeches or whatever they are, creepy creatures. They just move around. So let's do it now. Okay, I think. Yeah, I know the same dialogue again and again. So finally he is out. Okay, to destroy the cast. Yes, of course I knew it. It was the store freaky name Bishop Nielsen. Bishop Nelson. Bishop Nelson must be the part of uh, cast maybe, or someone who is supporting cast. Okay, I need to follow him, right? I think I already know the way. Okay, this, and I think we are screwed. There are three of them with their big ass, with a big ass axe. I mean, they have got a huge axe. Yeah, just one swing can just slay you down. What are you hoping? And he's being very brave. Okay, let him fight. Now that didn't went well. I think you should have. Okay, I think I need to fight him. Yeah, I'm happy to forget it. I'm just half of life right now. Yeah, of course. That's the best way to do right now. Just forget it. Alrighty, I think it's not a fault. Just be careful. Also take this. What is it? The Modavia scroll. Okay, it is contain. Okay, it contains some magic. Okay. Uh, I think he's dead. Yeah, and we are out. Okay. Um, I should. There's a scroll in the magic panel. Uh, I'm not pretty sure where it has to be used. But again, I mean, this is the mystery that we need to solve. And once we have the magic scroll know how to work. Okay, this bunker. I think I should use the sword. Alrighty, I think uh, I just grinded a bit more and I should save here. I know where to go now. Just move around some places, and so it's near to the castle that we had visited earlier. So I'll just save and just move there quickly. Boom. Alrighty. So here we are. The place to visit actually is protected with some magic, and the scroll which will be used to re- remove that guard or some castle. So just to know, let you know, this is the castle. You have to move around the castle, go back of the castle basically, and the place over there will be identified by the two lighted torches, and it is guarded by magic. This is the area. So okay, there's a person, let's talk to him first. If it is repeated, then I think okay, it's a goblin castle again. Yeah, I know there's a goblin castle in the north. So we need to use that scroll over here. I'll let you know if you use anything else other than that. Okay, I think I haven't burned those trees earlier. Okay, if you use anything else, you will get hurt like that. Okay, so I also wasted some health. But the key is you have to use that scroll, otherwise it won't open. And so preferably this is just one time use. So let's some magic on the scroll, and it is open now. Let's re-equip that fireball and some health potion. I don't know what is it. It must be a boss fight inside. Okay, so the screen is locked for these three cockroaches. It won't be that hard. uh, just two naps, that's it. And they're giving some health potion as well. Health as well, not potions but health. I should have not used my elixir because they're already giving some health. Never mind, I think I already have some, a couple of them or three maybe left, because I don't know what the boss fight will be. And okay, so this seems, there's some small one but they are quick. They were small but they were hard to hit, and they're also quick one. Two of the bunkers, there's a couple of them can be taken down quickly because they're slower. And I'm also moving close to the not very close, but it's still for the fourth level. I'm just like 500 something and I have to go to 1600. If you notice, if you have noticed earlier, uh, the level is just 100 into square. I mean square root of the number into 100, either way around. Like level 3 was 900, level 4 is 1600, level 2 was 400. And you can judge if you're good on maths. Level 5 would be 2500, 6 would be 3600, 7 would be 4900. I'm good on maths. So this hidden area is leading to, okay, I love you dead dragon carcass. Okay, so I think it is a dragon head. I would do anything for you, DC. Please, Cindy, say the whole name each time. DDC. Do anything for you, dead dragon carcass. Highlighted one. And there's a person. I might have to low down the music over here because this seems to be a copyright issue. So I think this is Bishop Nelson. We have a surprise. Okay, what is the surprise? More cord blood. No, we don't need. Okay. We have new member come out, Mary. So I think Mary was the little girl who got kidnapped, right? Okay, you will also learn to worship the corpse of dead dragon. I don't know what the cult is, but doesn't seems good, and we might need to stop. And the girl is about to die in the cult ritual. What do you want? Okay, they are going to sacrifice her. So say something in the effect to that going to save her. I agree the Mary should be sacrificed. Use brains and stay hidden. I mean, there are some funny options, but you have to know. You know what to do. Excuse me. There's a man hiding in the bushes. You get your hands off her, Nelson. She is coming with me. Okay. I don't think so. Smallwood. So this, Mr. Nelson knows us. How come? Never mind. Girls, this man. Okay, okay. The dragon carcass is calling in for a sacrifice. So believe me. Okay, he went us, but transform. Okay, so okay. It's a small area and lots of. Can I get them? Okay, they're fighting each other, but they are not doing every time. So uh, I think one is. Are there three or are there four now? One is already dead, I think. Don't know. Uh, okay, okay. That didn't go well. Okay, I killed two. There were four, but that didn't go well. Mm, I might need some health. Health. Okay, back to sword. Uh, Wrong button. Yeah, this navigation is really making it hard. Okay, I think we are done. Are we? Are we not? I think you are about to be an important part of my new religion. No, we don't. And just that part is that. Okay, do it. Okay, so he's a slayer and a shapeshifter as well. So I told you this slayer. It is hard to kill them because they have more life and they have long tail and claws, which is the issue because you don't get very close to them. So best thing is to use acid rain because they are going to move in one path. So I think I'll use acid rain against them. Sword won't be an easy option because we our reach is not that much. But okay, the direction was not that good, but at least I gave 4 health down. 4 won't be enough. This is the issue. The acid rain will take a lot of time to reload. I could have done it with the fireball spell as well, but believe me, his defense is much more. Okay, this went well. This went well. It almost gave like 12 to 13. I think one more time would do. I'm not pretty sure, but a normal bonker over here had around 30-35 of health, and the stronger one, the blue ones, have around 40-45 health. So this also went very well, around 10 to 12 this time as well. So nearly 30 is what I have heard. And see exactly. If I told you that sword will hit him, but he has got long claws, which will hit you back again. So sword is not a good option here unless you have a range weapon. So this acid rain is good. It is going, and that's it. Okay, that went well, quite well. I hope she doesn't transforms now. Mary, are you alright? Okay, thanks to you. Who are you? I'm a hero, girl. Okay, friend of the land. Okay, hero in the either words. Your magic man. Okay, your worst nightmare would be the best option. Let's try it. or the leader of another clan. That would be another option. Okay, time to go home. Follow me. I mean, the options are funny, but so we have your girl. I brought someone with me. Okay, it could have the option. I mean, if the options worked the similar way we chose, then I think it could not be very good. Okay, I might need a lot of things, but you need to clean your house, lady. No one is getting your house if you don't have a clean house. Buy something to clean your house. Get it vacuumed. Get it cleaned. Use a good broom. Use a good mop. I don't think you have something to eat around. No, you don't. Okay. Yeah, exactly. It is very dirty. So that's it. I think we have started becoming renowned in this place. It should be. Let's try it. What the people have to say. Okay. So nice job on saving the Nadine's little girl. Okay. Around when you come closer, let's see. That's about okay. So we have some fame which is building up right now. Okay, let's ask these person as well who are making jokes. Hey, it's saying great job on saving that girl. Okay, now there's okay, now they have. So I think that's it. I think we should move on to the next mission. So till then, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.